To get the search started, they will deploy an infrared camera attached to a miniature helicopter. Once in the sky, the remote system will alert the team to the presence of any large animals. The survey will help them narrow their search area.
With the helicopters, we can get up to about 400 feet of altitude, moving around an area of about an acre to look for whatever's out there.
The camera will transmit images wirelessly to a monitor on the ground.
Control check. All looks good. We fired up. Give me a look left toward the tree line. Yeah, you're way nose down there. Yeah, watch the trees too. Yep.
You can set it down anytime you want right now.
The team believes the beast is nocturnal, so they'll wait for dark before searching.
We're in an area that has a lot of creature activity, and it's been going on for a long time. And it's just a really creepy area, especially at night.
They launched the mounted camera in a wetlands area outside Geneva, Kentucky.
Ready, Greg?
Yep.
We're going.
Okay.
Cool.
You're good both directions on the road.
All right, we're going across.
Okay, maintain that height going across.
Okay.
The red tones show heat and can indicate life forms on the ground.
All right, I'm pan left.
Sideways.
The helicopter makes wide sweeps, covering an area that would take days to search on foot.
All right, I'm gonna bring it back.
Peterson is convinced they are in the right area.
Down in this area, there sure are a lot of people that have stories of sightings, which is pretty interesting because it sure is a whole lot of folks down here that keep seeing something. How can it not exist?